In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT maths question easily and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now guys, this question is very simple. It says, what is the value of log base 464? Now, to solve this question, all you have to do is to locate the log function on this calculator. Alright, so basically you don't need to store any value for this kind of question, and you don't necessarily need to receive a calculator to solve it. So to solve, go to maths, then locate the log function. Let's go up. Alright, so this is the log base function I'm looking for. Press enter. Alright, so the base is 4, and come here and put 64. And that's all. Let's press enter to see the output. Anyway, so the correct option is what? Option A. This is basically how you can solve this, guys, using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Let's call it the video, guys. Hope you learned something from this video. If you are new to my channel, ensure you subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what to learn from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding these problems, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright. Now click on the end screen above, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. So let's clear this.